Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to change your Audi Q7 battery. First, gather your essential tools like a 10mm wrench, a battery terminal cleaner, and safety gloves. Always ensure your vehicle is completely turned off and the parking brake is engaged before you begin. The battery in an Audi Q7 is usually located conveniently under the driver's seat, so you will need to access that area first. Safety is paramount throughout this entire process. Now, let's disconnect the old battery. Always start by using your 10mm wrench to loosen and remove the negative terminal cable first. This is a critical safety step. Then, proceed to disconnect the positive terminal, taking extreme care to prevent any accidental contact with metal surfaces. Finally, locate and remove any hold-down clamps or straps that are securing the battery firmly in its designated tray. This prepares the battery for removal. With the old battery disconnected, it's time for removal and installation. Carefully lift out the old battery. Be aware that it can weigh over 50 pounds, so lift with your legs. Before placing the new one, thoroughly clean the battery tray and the cable terminals to ensure optimal connection. Now, gently lower the new battery into the tray, making sure it is seated securely and oriented correctly for the terminals. This ensures a stable foundation. To complete the installation, we'll connect the new battery. Begin by attaching the positive terminal first, ensuring it is tight and secure. Next, connect the negative terminal, tightening it firmly with your 10mm wrench. Double-check all connections for snugness. Finally, start your Audi Q7 to confirm the new battery is functioning correctly and all electrical systems are operational. You have successfully changed your battery.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.